guys, today we're taking on the no recall challenge here in Mlbb. That means no going back to base, no recharging. Whatever we find on the map is all we've got to survive. The question is, can we actually make it until the end? Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. By the way, here's the build I'm using for Bane. It's a full mage build, so his second skill heals insanely strong. I also grabbed Revitalize to make sure there's no going back to base. But I just want to clarify something. How exactly are we going to do this? First, the rules. We're not allowed to recall, of course. And we're not allowed to step on the base, which also means we can't die. Because if we die, we'll respawn at the base. So that's the rule. Second, this is really difficult. No joke, guys. I tried this in ranked, and I went on a losing streak. So we'll set some adjustments. First, you're allowed to die up to 3 times only. That's it. Now that you know, let's get started.
Your team is banning.
Okay, let's go.
Please be picking.
Now you wanna get started?
Gather at the portal.
The roof.
Hello there, fool.
Hey, wait! Let's talk about this first. No, 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 no! Wait, 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 wait! Wait, 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 wait!
Is picking.
Whoa, 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 hey, 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 hey!
Request backup. Have been slain. Please ban a hero.
Give no orders! Quicker!
For real, at this point of the game, I am losing hope. Until this happened.
I'm all man. The frozen ocean is just our first stop. Give no order. I'm all Mariner's nightmare. I'll run a shot across the bow.
Killing spree!
Water makes you drown quicker.
Mega kill! You have slain an enemy! Destroy the turret! Unstoppable! Team destroy the turret! Mega kill! Request backup!
Don't be let us to die.
You destroy the turret! Initiate retreat! You have slain an enemy! Request backup!
I'll ride the tide.
Killing spree! You have slain an enemy! Double kill! Double kill!
That's it, guys. If you enjoyed this challenge, then make sure to subscribe. How about you? Have you also tried this kind of challenge in MLBB? Comment down below what your experience was.